This simple birthday card has made more than $220,000 in just 1 month over at Etsy. If you also want to make these massive amounts, then I highly recommend to watch this video until the very end to find out how. In this video, you will learn how you can create passive income with ChatGPT and Etsy by making birthday cards. Your chance to become financially free is right here, because today you will learn how you can sell these birthday cards made by ChatGPT for a good price on Etsy and easily earn $1,000 a day. This process I'm going to show you today is totally free, and after you watch this video, you will be able to create any type of card with ChatGPT and design it with Canva. Not only will you learn how to create these birthday cards, but also learn how to list these cards on Etsy for sale and collect your money while you enjoy your life somewhere else. This video is going to make you filthy rich, so I suggest you follow every second of this video and start your own business as you learn. So I was sourcing the internet when I found all these amazing products on Etsy. I was really amazed by the creativity of these birthday cards, but what shocked me more was when I found out about the amount of money these cards were making. For example, this birthday card has 22,520 sales, and if we multiply that by the price value of the product, which is $3.90, we find that this product has made more than $87,000 in just 1 year. The same case is with this product, which has made more than $91,000 in just 9 months. Also, there was an unlimited number of birthday cards with an estimated revenue of more than $30,000 a month. I started doing this business myself and earned more than $5,000 in my first month with Etsy. That's why I made this video, so that I can share my own experience with you and help you get started with this easy way of earning money. So, to get you started on this easy business, first, what you need to do is to identify your selected audience, because birthday cards are a broad niche and you need to break it down. You can do that by asking ChatGPT to break down the birthday card niche into something more specific. And it will give you a lot of sub-niches like this. You can pick any sub-niche that you want. Let's suppose you've picked personalized birthday cards, which are birthday cards that have been customized or tailored specifically to the recipient. Once you've picked your sub-niche, the next step you will need to do is analyze the product that's already doing well in the market. To analyze the product, let me take you to the product page once again and show you the reason for the success of this product. Here, you can see that this seller has added an extra customization section to the product, and we know through personal experience that people love to customize things. You can also add something like this to your own product, and this will add much more value to it. Also, you need to look at the reviews this product is getting. This is because reviews show you why buyers like this product, and you can copy the good aspects of this product into your own. But remember to not copy a product 100% and make sure you're unique. After you've analyzed the product, the next thing you got to do is create the birthday cards. But how should you write a poem and design it? Don't you worry, I've got you. To write a poem over the cards, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short birthday poem for you. And in no time, it will write you this amazing poem. As you can see, this poem is for a personalized brother's birthday card. You can create more poems like this for any individual that you want. For example, if you ask the chatbot again to write a mother's poem for a birthday card, then it will write it without any hesitation. Likewise, it will write you a poem for any personalized individual that you want. After you are done with creating your poem with ChatGPT, the next step is to go to Canva and search for birthday cards. You will find lots of these wonderful birthday cards that you can customize the way you want. Now, from here, you can pick any card that you like. For example, you've picked this one, and you want to make it a personalized brother card. Click on the Customize button to see where you can edit this birthday card. First, you will need to resize the font size and move the text around so that it can fit the frame. After this, replace the word "you" with the name of the person you are making this card for. Let's suppose you write the name Sam in place of the word "you," and it will look like this. After you've done with this basic part of designing the card, the next thing you will do is copy the poem created by ChatGPT earlier and paste it in here like this. Your birthday card is ready in the blink of an eye. You can repeat this process and make as many birthday cards as you want for several individuals. For example, if you are making a personalized mother's birthday card, you can select this template along with many more to make a customized mother's birthday card, and it will look like this. What's awesome about Canva specifically is that you can design an unlimited number of birthday cards just for free, and it has a lot of designs, one better than the other. After you've designed the cards, you can download them in PDF format. To download the card, first, click on the download button in the top right corner of the screen. After that, select PDF Print as your file type. Then, choose the quality you want for your PDF. And finally, click the download button again. Once your products are ready, you can list them on Etsy and earn $1,000 per day. To list the products, you first need to set up an Etsy seller account, which is really simple. After you have set up your account and are logged in, you can then list your products and earn thousands of dollars per day when the products start selling. Now, this is how to add a listing on Etsy. First, from your shop dashboard, click Add a Listing to start creating a new listing for your product. Second, choose the item type. Select the category and subcategory that best fits your product. Third, add photos and description. Upload clear and attractive photos of your product and provide a detailed description that accurately represents it. Also, make sure to add text boxes like these, so that the buyer can suggest their names or any other words they want on the card. After that, set the price. Choose a price for your product, including any discounts or variations. And finally, publish your listing. Click Publish to make your listing live on Etsy. Your product will now be available for customers to browse and purchase. You can also watch my full video on Etsy if you need any help with setting up your Etsy account or listing products there. Apart from designing birthday cards on Canva and selling them on Etsy, you can also design birthday cards with Printful.com, which is a popular print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom products, including birthday cards. With Printful, you can design your own birthday cards using their easy-to-use design tools, or you can upload your own custom designs. Once you've created your design, Printful will handle the printing, packaging, and shipping of your cards, so you can focus on creating more great designs and growing your business. To design the birthday card on Printful, all you need to do is first sign up for a free account, which is extremely simple, and you can do it by simply signing up with your Google account. After you are logged in, you can design the birthday card using their intuitive design tools, or you can upload your custom design. You can choose from a variety of templates and graphics, and you can add your text and images to make your card unique. Printful also offers a range of high-quality card stocks to choose from, so you can create a card that looks and feels great. I believe you're ready. I believe now you can make birthday cards with ChatGPT and sell them over at Etsy. Don't wait to start. Don't procrastinate. This is your moment to finally become rich. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to Income Booster and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, be sure to like and share this video with your friends and family if you found it helpful and entertaining. Your support helps me create more great content for you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.